The world woke up to the possibility of realizing dreams of social development and poverty reduction through microfinance institutes after Professor Muhammad Yunus's Grameen Bank model attained success and popularity. Sadhana Microfinance Society has been one of the very few MFIs in India that has stuck to the core mission and original purpose of microfinance institutions. Sadhana, founded by Mr. Ernest Paul, started its operations in 2001 in Kurnool in the south of India. It has been able to reach to 1,20,000 clients since then, and the focus has been shifted from microcredit to livelihood finance in these last 9 years. Saroja from Sanjeev Nagar, Kurnool has had a tough time when she was in debt. Money lenders threatened her family to whom they owed money, and their in-laws threw them out of their house. On the top of it, she was pregnant. Somehow, she managed to deliver a boy. With so much of loan, no place to live, and an infant in lap, she joined Sadhana. She took the loan from Sadhana and started the bangles business. Initially, she earned ₹50 to 100 per week, but in last 5 years, her income has gone up to ₹200 to 400 per week.
మేము బయట అప్పు తెచ్చుకునే వాళ్ళం సార్, 10 రూపాయలకు 5 రూపాయలకు అట్ట తెచ్చుకుని చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడేవాళ్ళము. ఇంకా ఆ ఇబ్బంది చూడలేక నేను కూడా వ్యాపారం చేసేదాన్ని, కానీ ప్రతి నెల వడ్డీ దగ్గర కానీ అసలు తెగకుండా అట్టనే ఉండేది. ఇంకా దానివల్ల నేను వ్యాపారం పోతే కూడా పిల్లలు చాలా కష్టపడినారు సార్. వాళ్ళు సరిగ్గా వంట చేయక, సరిగ్గా తినక, స్కూల్కి పోగా, ఒకవేళ పొరపాటుగా ఊర్లో లేట్ అయిందనుకో అట్టనే వాళ్ళు నేను వచ్చేంతవరకు బయట ఉండేవాళ్ళు. అది చూసి నాకు చాలా బాధ అనిపించేది సార్. ఎందుకు ఇంత బాధ ఎందుకు అని మేము అడ్డే చేసుకునే వాళ్ళం. నాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు చెప్పినట్టు సాధన సంస్థ వచ్చింది, వడ్డీ తక్కువ, వారం కట్టుకోవచ్చు, పైగా తెగిపోతే కూడా ఎవరి శృతి లేకుండా నీకు బాగా డబ్బులు ఇస్తారు. దానిలో చేరంటే దానిలో చేరినాను సార్. ఫస్ట్ డబ్బులు ఇచ్చినారు, మా ఆయనకే బెడ్షీట్లకు ఇచ్చినారు. రెండోసారి కూడా తనకే ఇచ్చినాను. మూడోసారి ఇంకా ఎందుకు ఊకేదల్లా ఇంత బాధ, నేను కూడా షాప్ పెట్టుకుంటే మేలు కదా, పిల్లల్ని ఇండ్లను బాగా చూసుకోవచ్చు కదా అనే ఉద్దేశంతో నేను సార్ డబ్బులు తెచ్చుకొని నేను షాప్ పెట్టుకున్నాను సార్. పెట్టుకుని దానివల్ల నా పిల్లలు, నా సంసారం, నా భర్త కానీ చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు అలాంటి కష్టాలు ఇప్పుడు ఏమీ లేవు.
Staying true to their objective of improving the life of their clients, Sadhana started a health center on 2nd October 2007 in Kurnool. All clients along with their families get free treatment here. The health center conducts free tests, including all pregnancy-related tests, and distributes free medicines. More than 4.8 lakhs rupees is spent every year to run this health center. On 2nd October 2009, when the flood crippled the city of Kurnool and Nandyal, Sadhana worked along with other rescue teams and rescued more than 100 people to sheltered locations. Sadhana deployed 100 staff, 2 proclaimers and 11 tractors to clear the slush in streets and houses continuously for 15 days. As an immediate response, Sadhana donated 10 lakh rupees for the relief fund to District Collector of Kurnool. In collaboration with Arogyavada Medical Unit and Suchi Health Unit, they organized a week-long medical camp to treat the injured clients and distributed free medicines to prevent the spread of diseases in the affected areas. Sadhana freezed repayments for 6 whole weeks and spent more than 60 lakh rupees in the flood relief activities. Sadhana has always put self-sustainability first, followed by social development. The financial self-sufficiency has gone up from 100.94% to 127.57%, and the operational self-sufficiency from 107.05% to 131.84% in last 5 years. The repayment rate has been consistent for last 5 years, that is 100%. so the portfolio at risk has been 0.00%. The number of centers and active clients has been more than doubled since 2006, with total loans disbursed of more than 4 billion rupees. Total return on assets has been increased 25 times from a mere 0.21% to 5.25%, and return on equity has also multiplied by more than 8 times. Via Vikas is an Indian subsidiary of Opportunity International Australia, is one of the lenders to Sadhana.
With Sadhana, our relationship has been very smooth and professional. In fact, it has been mutually beneficial. They are very generous in sharing some of the field learnings with our smaller partners, which is very helpful. We also appreciate their deeper community engagement, especially their health initiatives. We see a bright future in this partnership. We believe that Sadhana has the ability to scale up and reach and impact many more lives. We look forward to working with Sadhana in their microfinance and other health initiatives.
The founder of Sadhana believes that for the effective reduction of poverty to take place, Sadhana alone will not be able to do enough. So he decided to support, train and fund other institutions involved in development work and in microfinance area in Andhra Pradesh as well as in other parts of the country. Mr. Ernest Paul always encourages local NGOs to take up microfinance to bring the desired social change. So far, Sadhana has extended support to 14 institutions and has trained 70 MFIs. Realizing its long-nurtured dream, Sadhana is coming up with a campus sprawling over 28 acres of land, which will be named as Swajiva Resource Center. The campus will serve as a residential training facility for Indian as well as foreign upcoming microfinance institutions. This resource center will be used to address the multidisciplinary capacity building needs of the clients as well as the staff of Sadhana.
Microfinance industry is the most emerging and popular in the country, where a lot of capacity building requirements are there for the startup institutions as well as the established and upcoming institutions. Even Sadhana itself identified as the best practicing model in the country, where several institutions across the country visited for the exposures as well as for the capacity building requirements. So this has given a lot of inspiration and confidence for us to establish a world-class school exclusively for microfinance practitioners as well as social enterprises.
Sadhana's mission has always been the social development. Giving back to the society is their prime motive. Their future direction is to build clients' capacity by education and training that will help them to become self-dependent. Sadhana wants to broaden its existing services and introduce new services in the area of sanitation, health and education to make the life of their clients comfortable. Mobile clinics and more health centers will be opened in near future. Sadhana is also concentrating on supporting more educational institutions on the lines of St. Luke School for Blind and Mandal Parishad. To broaden the horizon of the development and to expedite the progress, Sadhana is committed to support more like-minded development institutions.
Sadhana has started as a committed social organization, as I strongly believe microfinance as the social enterprise. The poor badly needed the financial support where the microfinance institutions are providing, but the institutions as of today are more greedy and they are more concentrating towards corporatization, and the private equity is playing vital role in the industry, which is one way going to hamper the economy of the country, because the earnings of the poor are going into the hands of the capitalists, which I strongly against, and the organization Sadhana is highly committed to continue as the social organization only. The same philosophy we want to percolate to several institutions by giving them capacity building inputs in the upcoming Swajiva Resource Center, the School of Social Enterprising, where all these institutions will be in a position to understand the real philosophy of microfinance, why it was started, how it was started, and the very essence is the outcome, the income has to be given back to the community. Those kind of inputs we are very seriously going to percolate to the institutions, and at least in the coming 1 or 2 decades, if 3 or 4 more sadhanas emerge with the same philosophy which sadhana is having today, that is the biggest achievement in the history of sadhana and also in my life.